Yo, what up guys? Today's my last day in Hawaii. So sad. And yeah, it's pretty early in the morning because I have to head to the airport. But just wanted to say goodbye to this thing. This is my Hawaii counterpart, man. Rallybacker V1 and all Itasha now. My dream build. And it's so clean. If you want to know more about this build, follow him on Instagram at SD86. Yeah. I'm gonna miss this thing. I'm gonna miss these guys, man. My entire trip in Hawaii so far has just been amazing. Like, we did things that weren't planned and weren't even on the itinerary for my trip. Really gotta give it to the Hawaii guys, man. They showed us around, gave us a good time, and kinda sad to be leaving, man. I wish I could stay a little longer, but I still have so much to do in Canada. Cold, dry, snowy Canada. Oh man, I really don't want to leave this place yet. But I have a lot of catching up to do. And we've had fun. Peace. And you wake up every morning here, this is the view that you get. Well, actually, kind of hard to gauge what it looks like on camera. But I'll bring you upstairs. Oaks. It is last time I see this place, or actually, I'll be back soon. Peace out, Makoa's house. Also, shout outs Makoa's grandma for making the best coffee in the world. This is amazing. You don't even need cream or sugar, just pure black coffee. This is amazing, though. Grandma.
Hi, after you come back today.
Yeah, I'll be going home back to Canada. The cold. Appreciate it. Thanks for letting me stay.
Again?
Yeah, definitely. Sooner than you think. This was my vacation.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed.
I did.
Weather, you know, not so good yet, really.
Yeah, hey, it's better than snow. You too. Thank you so much.
Again.
Yeah, take care. Okay. I'm still here.
Hi.
It's been years since I had a change. Always a watch out. Lighter to the gasoline. Oh, couldn't hold me. Now I'm living better days. Hot chicken and black coffee.
Here. Okie dokes. Yes. Mr. Simone, I will see you again soon. Thanks for the trip, man.
Yeah, finally
yeah,
meet
for
you.
sure.
Glad that we got to spend time with you.
Cool. Thank you for genuine hospitality. Seriously. Like when you guys picked us up, I felt like we already knew each other just because we've been reading each other's Instagram pages for so long. And honestly,
Hey man, anytime. Come back whenever you want.
Thank you for your grandma.
Hey man, she loves you guys.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it, seriously. Yeah, we'll see you again soon. Yeah, for sure, man. Take care of yourself, okay? Peace out, bro.
Look, I'm smiling, motherfuckers.
Makoa. Yeah. Okay, so we just made it past security. Now I'm gonna go to the gift shop so I can bring home some souvenirs for my family, because I haven't done that yet. Duty free.
Thank you very much. どうもありがとうございました。Bye bye.
Bye bye. Whoa. gifts, now heading to my gates. So we're like 1 hour layover in LAX. Now we're on the plane going straight back home to YYC Calgary. And I'm not really excited because there's a snowstorm happening there right now and everyone's crashing into each other. I'm just not excited for the 30 centimeters of snow. So, I'm taking as much LAX weather as I can. How does that even make sense? Alright, got our stuff, and I'm not excited to go outside right now. But I'll just see you guys back at home, because I'm tired, I just want to pass out. Cold right now. This is what I come home to. My MX-3 is on a snowbank, and like blocking half of my neighbor's driveway. I don't know how I got in this position, right? Like, what the fuck? Maybe Shane was driving it and he just got stuck until it slid into here. But as long as my neighbors are okay, then I don't think this is going anywhere. Yeah, I think I'm ready to sleep, but I kind of want to conclude this video while it's still fresh in my head. So I'm gonna do a small haul video. I guess I can show you guys some of the things that I was gifted while I was there. And also I kind of just want to talk about the trip. First of all, super amazing time in Hawaii, and I wish I could have brought back the weather with me. Everyone that we met in Hawaii, all super down to earth and just really chill people. I mean, it started at the airport when me and Simon were picked up. Even though it was our first time meeting these guys, it felt like we kind of already knew each other personally because, well, first off, we've been Instagram buddies. All of us collectively just creep each other's Instagrams. Dale's actually helped me out in the beginning stages of my build. I've asked him so many questions and I've taken inspiration from these guys before I even started delving deeper into my car build. It was cool finally seeing their cars in person, and Mako as well. Rally backer buds, man. Definitely inspiring, to say the least. These guys are just really cool, and I can't wait to go back to visit. Now, I didn't really get all that much of a chance to film it, but we did end up going to KawaiiCon, and unfortunately for me, had I found out about this sooner, maybe I would have tended a booth there, like in the Artist's Alley or something, but that might be in the future. So we pretty much just walked around the event, checked out the exhibitors and the Artist's Alley. I got a chance to meet Vampy Bit Me, famous cosplayer, super cool person, and I got a picture with her. That's awesome. Yeah, we kind of just walked around the exhibitor booths and the Artist's Alley section. So before I pass out and before I end this video, I have a small haul of all the gifts that I received and some of the things that I ended up picking up in Hawaii. So I'll show you guys. Okay, I mean, mainly just stuff from the fans at the meet. These are pretty cool. I saw these on Instagram, and I'm surprised he actually gave us the originals, but I'll definitely put these up somewhere where I can see them. Yeah. More artwork. Here's a really cool drawing of me, fully colored too, holding a keyblade. That's cool. And the sketch version has Birdie Chew. You guys can see that. Cute. Whole bunch of stickers. CD. Picked up a couple of t-shirts. Okay, this shirt, such a sick design, and I actually picked this up at Vampy's booth. It's a custom drawn skeleton version of Kaneda from Akira. So, but what's special about this one is it's actually signed by Vampy. Ta-da! Picked up a couple of things from 88 Tees for myself. Green hoodie, of course. Some Ultraman tees. Ultraman Tiga. Woohoo! I used to watch this show religiously as a kid in the Philippines. I remember watching their American version too. Like the kid with the long hair. That was a thing. 2 new favorite t-shirts of mine. If you guys remember where I got these, picked these up at that little store right beside that restaurant. King's Must Rice. Hey, what can I say? I like rice. I actually picked this up on the side of the road. Just kidding. Found this on the bottom of the ocean. Nah, it was 10 bucks at a gift store. And then we even got little gifts from our newfound friends. This is from Arwen and Team Skirt. Team Skirt! Whee, it's a green birdie. That's awesome. And a pin from the Neat Crew. Complimentary skirt sticker. Skirt, skirt! And last but not least, this is a gift from Atsuro. Atsuro, thank you. Dude, I'll see you when you come to Vancouver. Whoa. I think it's like a coaster or a plaque. That's cool. I think it's like a charm. Not entirely sure what to do with this, but it looks cool. Atsuro, thanks man. So that's pretty much it. Oh, and I also picked up a few things for my family. Kona coffee, Hawaiian coffee, coconut candy. I bought my mom a plate because she collects these things. And chocolate for my brother. Oh, yeah. Oh, these things, man. I don't even know if I'm gonna end up using these, but thank you. Oh man, if you guys don't know what these are, I'll let you guys search it up, okay? Tenga for adults. That's hilarious. Don't worry, these are unopened, we're okay. But yeah, this hat was given to me by a fan at KawaiiCon too. Shoutouts, thank you. Cool. I think I'm ready to blast. Alright, yeah, that's it. That pretty much concludes the Hawaii trip. Oh man, already having withdrawals. But now we're back in Canada and I have a lot of work to catch up on. I have like close to a month to prep for the grand opening of our store, which is definitely gonna be open for public with a set schedule. For you Calgary locals who are wondering why our store is never open, it's because it hasn't officially opened yet. Guys, it takes time and I'm still just one person. Oh, just thinking about all the stuff that's on my plate right now. The car season is upon us and none of my team's cars are ready yet, but that means for the next few weeks, while we are busy prepping the store for its grand opening, we're also going to be busy working on our cars and prepping them for the show season this year. So lots of work ahead of us and the entire crew. So you guys will just have to stay tuned. I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching and for following us on this Hawaii adventure. But now we're back to reality. Let's go sleep or something. It just feels like it's been a really, really long day and ready to go to bed. So thank you guys for watching this video and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.